Hello, welcome. I'm Mrs. Sinelli and I teach English kindergarten. And today I want to showcase a little bit about our circle time in kindergarten. Every day we have a little bit of a movement break. It's a great way to get our bodies moving and get our brains ready to start the day. Then we gather together. Everyone comes and we all meet in front of the calendar. We sing our morning hello song. Hello Monday, it's time to start our day. Awesome job today, my friends. Today we already did our job. The kiddos always want to know what we're up to for the day, so we go through our schedule for the day. When is snack? When is centers? What's happening for the day? Centers and then pack up, right? To say good morning, goodbye to our... Being a special helper is part of being in kindergarten. When we do our calendar, our friends get to help us. Calendar is a great time to reinforce our numeracy skills, rote counting, number recognition, patterning. What's the weather like today? Like today? Like today? What's the weather like today? All right, girl, hit it. Good.
Cold and sunny.
Annie says it is cold and sunny. Look at that. Look at the sun coming through you. And learning about the weather. Special person also gets to give us a weather report for the day.
Thanks, beautiful. Will you help us today?
Every day we pick a new friend to help us with these jobs. We usually move into our literacy activities using a great book. Stories, stories. One of the best part of being in kindergarten. This usually leads to our lesson for the day, and the kiddos then go off to do some learning.